celebrity chef Mark
The
Kalick.
one, the only, Chef Mark.
Our buddy, Chef Mark Kalick.
We have celebrity chef Mark Kalick.
Hey chef, have you been working on your juggling skills?
Yeah, you ready for this?
Oh yeah.
Hi everyone, this is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory Fine Lines, and I'm here to answer the age-old question: can knives go in the dishwasher? Well, the answer is yes, but the answer is also it depends. I use high-quality knives. I like Wusthof. Wusthof, this metal is nice and hard. It's not going to damage the knife putting it in the dishwasher. The pressure of the water itself cannot damage the blade or dull the knife. Where the danger might come into play is if you have knives jiggling up against each other and they're rattling around. You have a knife that's made out of a softer metal, yeah, you can put a chip in it. But if you have that style of knife, quite frankly, just using it can chip it. So buy a high quality knife and put it in the dishwasher. I like to wash my dishes, my knives there, that way I know they're clean. I don't have to worry about if they're sanitized or not. A couple different kinds of handles here, and I think really the handle is really more where dishwashing can play a role in affecting the handle. This is a Ptex handle. You can see it's two pieces and it's riveted onto the handle here. This is a forged knife because the whole knife is one piece, including the handle, and they rivet the handle on, and these are designed to go in the dishwasher. This knife is about 20 years old. It's probably been through the dishwasher a couple hundred times, maybe more, and you can see it's perfectly fine. Yeah, some of the logos have worn off, but for me, if I'm using a knife, it's gonna have that patina that's been used and it's been well loved and it's still nice and sharp. No problems there. A wood handle, yeah, your handles can swell if you put them in the dishwasher. But guess what? This has been in the dishwasher many, many times as well. And I find that once the handle swells a little bit, it's actually a little easier to hold. This is what's known as a stamped knife. So the whole knife doesn't have like a bolster or anything like that. So they stamp like a picture of a knife, they sharpen it, drill a couple holes, attach the handle. These tend to be a little bit less expensive. But if you got a nice knife, that's high quality, and these kind of knives usually start in the $50 range, where something like this is more like $150. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the dishwasher as well. And again, this is very old and it's been through the dishwasher many, many times. Has not affected the knife at all. No chipping or anything like that. You can even go down in price to this style of handle where the blade, the handle is only about yay far into the handle and it's bonded on. And these, you can see there's no rivets. These, again, are designed to go into the dishwasher and to be scrubbed down with heavy soap and water, more of a commercial style knife. Again, no danger putting this in the dishwasher. Once again, the amount of pressure that the dishwasher exerts on the blade will not dull the knife. If you have really nice knives that you're very, very proud of and the handles are handmade, handcrafted, yeah, go ahead and hand wash those. I have a couple of knives like that I insist on hand washing. One of my favorite knives is not a stainless steel knife. The metal will kind of have almost like a corrosion to it if I don't oil it. So I avoid putting that in the dishwasher. But you know what? I've had it end up in the dishwasher on accident, and guess what? It's fine. It's not chipped. Hasn't harmed the knife at all. So don't be afraid to put your knives in the dishwasher if you feel that they're dirty, particularly if you're cutting something like chicken and you want to make sure that everything's sanitized. Maybe have a chicken knife, you know, and a good knife's going to last you a long, long time. Some of these knives I've had for my entire career, and I think they still look great. The best part of being a chef is that we get to play with really sharp knives and have a lot of them. So I think care of your knife is really just making sure that they're sharp, making sure that they're clean and sanitary, and then get out there, practice chopping on a few onions. Don't worry about putting your knives in the dishwasher. I think you're going to enjoy your time in the kitchen a little bit more. This is Chef Mark with Knife Tips. Thanks for tuning in.